Morning, Athi. Good morning. Well, that decision hopefully will be known shortly this morning, whether or not the current judge can continue in his seat.
That's correct, Braden. The defense coming out guns blazing at Judge Mandela Makaula, saying that in this particular trial, he's been in favor of the first witness, Cheryl Zondi, who gave a very detailed testimony of the events that allegedly transpired during her time at the Jesus Dominion International Church. So today, Peter Doberman, who petitioned the Supreme Court in the Free State, will today come back with that decision of whether or not Judge Mandela Makaula's refusal to recuse himself and that of quashing of charges will go on or not.
All right, and Athi, I mean, while that is the other, that is the issue that we're dealing with today, let's just talk about the actual case itself when it comes to witnesses. I mean, we know, yes, Cheryl Zondi and her testimony and a lot of those questions arising from there and the problems with the judge, like you say, or what the defense deems problems with the judge. But who's next on the witness list? Who else are we expecting to hear from? Just give us some idea on what's happening on that side of this case.
Before we get to the several other witnesses that are expected to also take the stand here at the Port Elizabeth High Court, we still have this issue to deal with, Yuveka, where Peter Doberman, rather, coming back with the decision from the Supreme Court to know whether or not this case will continue with Judge Mandela Makaula. However, I have also, during our stay here in Port Elizabeth, spoken to some of the other witnesses from the Jesus Dominion International Church, well, ex-members rather in this case, also saying that they will also be called to the stand, but they're waiting on all the processes that are next, that are due to take place now, and then they'll be called to take the stand. But I think I should also mention how Cheryl Zondi has come out to say that the Witness Protection Unit is not working as it should, saying that she received several death threats because of the testimony that she gave here at this High Court, and so as the other witnesses. So the witnesses right now are not sure when they will actually be taking the stand, but Cheryl Zondi coming out to say that she's launching an NPO to try and protect and try and help all other sexual assault victims who are going through such cases.
Thank you very much, Athi. Very clearly, the first up, this case, whether or not the judge can carry on, must be resolved before we proceed with the trial. We'll watch out and hear what that decision will be.
It will be very interesting.